long time. Hi Ved. Hi Parth. Hi Dinesh. What's up? क्या चल रहा है? Yes, I am single. Hi. I just got home and I thought, oh my god, okay. I thought it's been a long time since I came live and said hi to you. Although I keep going live time to time for my subscribers, but आपसे मेरी बात नहीं हो पा रही थी तो मैंने कहा कि I should just come here and say hello, hi. I'm at my house. What's up? I'm very good. What's up? Hi. By the way, what's this? See? I have so many bouquets at home. I still have no idea why. Hi. Hello. My next project is going to be a Tamil film that I'm doing, and I'll be shooting in Chennai soon. And yeah, I honestly want to move in South. I guess it's more convenient that way. It's nicer, so I'm just deciding between Chennai or Hyderabad. Earlier I was more inclined towards Chennai, but now I'm thinking maybe Hyderabad is a nicer place to be. What do you think? Where should I be living? Bombay, obviously, I'll be here on and off. I have a house here and my brother here. But देखो कहाँ पर जाना होता है. Let's see. तमिल फिल्म में बंगाली डायलॉग होना चाहिए. ये क्या बात होती है? कुछ भी. Chennai forever. Chennai, really? I should move to Chennai, you think? I love Chennai actually. It's nice. It's a pretty place. Green forest. Anytime energetic, but how? Me? Anytime energetic, but how? Oh, tell me about it. Personality trait, sweetheart. Personality trait, I guess. Why not Bangalore? That's a good question. यार बैंगलोर में इतना दिल नहीं लगा. मेरा दिल लगा चेन्नई में एंड हैदराबाद में. It's quite nice. Nightlife I've heard is good. Charminar. Yeah. Let's see. मैं सोच रही हूँ couple of years this will do me good. Kerala actually I've never been there. I need a person to show me around in Kerala. I don't have anybody I know there. And Rishi, will you marry? I just might. Happy Independence Day. Thank you, Ronak. There are so many requests to join live, but I think it's pretty late for that. I know, right? I stopped going live and reading books. Those used to be good times, है ना? I think so. I think I should have continued doing that. नहीं नॉर्थ वाले मुझे बहुत पसंद है, बट क्योंकि मेरा काम साउथ की फिल्मों में ज़्यादा होता है ना, शूटिंग सारी ज़्यादा वहाँ पर रहती है, इसीलिए नॉर्थ मुझे बेशक पसंद है, क्यों नहीं. हाय, थैंक यू. आपकी आवाज़ क्या? What about Illa Naro? Wagner? Drake boy. Coolie versus War 2. Which one is best? I have seen none. Aww. Sure, I will. What's up? बाकी ये बताओ. I was sharing those stories with you, right? मैं ही तो मुसीबत हूँ. Would you wanna hear more stories? Should I post more Bagunanu Bagunara, right? Should I post more of such stories? Do you think it's nice? I'm thinking I should. I have recorded them, but I haven't shared them. I've been really lazy. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि क्या करें. आपने देखी है ना स्टोरीज? आप में से कितने लोगों ने देखी है, बताओ ज़रा. मैं ही तो मुसीबत हूँ. ग्रीन जैकेट has about 24-25 million views now, so obviously it's going viral. And how? So yeah, I just wanted to sort of understand from you that should I sort of do more of it? Yes, Hannah, I'll share some more episodes of it. And then who's stand out in the backside? यार तुम मुझे डराओ मत. कौन खड़ा है पीछे? God, you making me scared. Just oh, there's nothing, right? Okay. Jai Janendra. Chalo, bye. Tata. Bye. You take care of yourself. I love you. And I'll see you soon. Next time when I'll go live, I'll probably be going live with my subscribers and maybe not here. So you have to subscribe the channel on Instagram so that you can see the updates on live sessions, because I'm now thinking ki if I will post the stories of course, but I want to tell you a story like this. ऐसे बहुत अच्छी कहानी है मुझे आपके पास बताने के लिए. You'll love it. It has romance, it has intimacy, it has passion, it has fire, it has brilliance. I love it. This story has fire. My favorite hero in Tollywood. There are a couple of them, but they all are taken, so I don't want to take a name. But yes, I think I like South Indian actors more. I do. Exclusive live on subscription channel, so you have to subscribe. Although I know there is a wait list, there is some kind of issue a lot of you face. Any lucky man? Poor them. Yeah, so I'll be coming live on subscription channel. For that you have to subscribe. Subscription में कई बार दिक्कत आती है, लेकिन आपको वहाँ पर जाकर के कोशिश करनी है. I think हो जाना चाहिए. It should work. There are so many of you there. I'm hoping to have a little more of you. Yeah. Okay.